Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share very easy recipe of chutney which you guys can make it at your home very easily. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a Kerala style chutney at your home. So for this recipe what you need, here I took 2 to 3 tablespoons of chutney dal, and here I took 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut, and here I took 2 red chilies. If you want more spice in your chutney, you can add more spice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all these ingredients in this blender. So I added all the things in the blender, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the ink powder which gives a nice taste in this chutney, and I'm going to add half a cup of water to grind this one as a very smooth paste. So before adding the water, I'm going to add the salt as per your taste, how much salt you want in your chutney. So I grind this chutney as a very smooth paste, and here I am adding little bit of water, and I'm going to grind this one again. So can you see the chutney is ready, and here I am preparing the tempering for the chutney. So for the tempering, I took the small kadai and added 1 teaspoon of oil. In this I added some mustard seeds and urud dal, and here I'm going to add these fresh curry leaves. So in all the chutneys we have to add the fresh curry leaf. So the chutney is ready. So for the tempering you can use the coconut oil because this is basically a Kerala style chutney. So yeah, so today I'm making idli, and I'm going to put this chutney in the top of the idli. So I will show you that one. So this chutney is ready, and it's time to prepare the idli. The idli batter is here, and the idli stand is here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this idli in this idli mold, and I applied some oil in the in this. So So this chutney is perfect for idli, dosa, upuma, adai. And I'm going to pressure cook this one. So just now I removed the idli and I put it in the serving plate. The idli is very soft, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this chutney in this top of the idli. So this is how they serve in the hotel. So we have to put a lot of chutney. So the idli has to be soaked in this chutney. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make very easy chutney, that is Kerala chutney, at your home. And this chutney is good for Jain people also, because in this chutney no onion, no garlic. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make Kerala style chutney at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.